tatlo, partner, ang mag-uuwi, no, ng Samsung tablet. And actually, ang dami kong narinig nagdadasal sila. Sana daw, sila ang mag-unot, no, sa next set of raffle natin this afternoon. Kasi partner, gagamitin nga daw nila for iwa access, diba? And ensuring more Filipinos. Yes, ensuring lives, that's at the heart of what we do. And speaking of winning, no, we can only win in this business if we do our recruitment activities on a daily basis. Yes, agree, partner. Equally important that we love our daily recruitment activities because we believe that consistent activity logging helps us see the effort behind the numbers. Because growth doesn't start with results, it starts with activities. Yes, small recruitment efforts can lead to big results this 2026. That's why we want to emphasize the importance of our recruitment activity management board. This is where you log in your activities for the week para makita po natin, no, ano yung mga activities natin from prospecting, no, social media branding and engagement, writing exam registration, and conducting table hop. And of course, meron din ang submission of coding documents. Yes, because being a true stellar recruiter means dedicating an hour every day to doing focus activities that will drive results and expansion within our team. Yes, we look forward to seeing your entries, and let's make it a daily habit to use this score as we welcome our new set of stellars here in Iwa. So last week, no, nag-share rin kami ng mga recruitment champions natin sa mga, of course, nag-log ng mga recruitment activities nila. Yes, and we're expecting more entries yan to drive our recruitment numbers. Now, partner, mahalaga na ang ating purple community to win the remaining 3 Samsung tablets. But before that, ayan, on my right, nakita nyo naman po, na nagbabalik also on stage our distribution training partners with an additional face, very familiar face, no, sa ating agency course. We have our trainer, Miss Dal Manglan. Yes, thank you for joining us. Okay. Sige, pwede na po ba natin pakita ang ating wheel of names? Ayan, 441 entries, ang dami. Hindi na mababasa, no? Yung sobrang dami. Yes, partner. Okay. Sige. Let's start. Ayan. For purpose and people, 3, 4, 5, here we go! Sino po ba? Sino po ba? Ayan! From Golden Stars Financial, you have heard it. Online po ba, Mr. Jeff? Yes, and of course, our ESS here to join us on stage is speak on behalf of your project. Congratulations, and you and Jordan. Hello, sa ating online. Thank you so much, ESS, and of course, again, congratulations to you. Okay, sige, let's draw the 4th winner. Purpose and people, 3, 4, 5, here we go. Ay, Miss! Magkano nga, si Mr. Roberto Punzalan. And of course, we have here again, si BM Joan, to receive on this manifestation works really. Ang bilis! Yes! Ayun na nga, ang-analyst na nga siya. Congratulations, ma-uuwi, no, from Bataan, to Bataan ang tablet. Okay, and for our last, no, and fifth,
Let's go down. Purpose and people.
Here we go!
And people ba?
Ay, average na! Manifesting. Yes, Adelita Mendoza, no? Again, from Amethyst Warriors Friends. Congratulations! Okay, I think tatlo, partner, ang Amethyst, oo nga! Yes. Ako, no? Dami rin kasi talagang Rako entries from Amethyst Warriors. Congratulations! Congratulations!